Hello everyone, and this is Vinod on behalf of XL Snippet, a new YouTube channel. I would like to teach you a new concept and a formula that is recently released in Office 365. In the earlier versions, if I want a unique list, I would have used either a remove duplicate functionality or advanced filter unique record options. But in Office 365 option, we are about to do that using a unique function with a spill effect in it. Let's see how to do that. And I'm going to do all the three methodologies that we have followed to achieve the same result. The first one, I'm going to use remove duplicates. Next, I'm going to use advanced filter unique records only. And finally, I'm going to use the latest formula called unique and spill effects in Office 365 function. And I'm going to show you how effective and how easy to use a unique functionality in Office 365 and why this functionality is better than the other two one. Let's see how to do that. So let's go back to our data part. In our data, we have a list here called original data. Now I wish to do or remove all duplicates in this list. So I'm going to just copy it and paste it in here. Go back to my data tab, remove duplicates, and then I'm going to just say OK. And you can see automatically all my data are removed here. If we want to do the same in our list, so then I can use an advanced filter here. So I'm about to go back to the same data tab again, advanced filter, and then I'm going to just say copy to other location, and the data type data is this, and I'm going to put the range in here, and I'm going to give a check mark in unique records only. So we got the same answer here. But in Office 365, I'm going to use a spill and unique functionality. So I'm going to use a unique function and move my data to my data structure and give an enter. You can see automatically the data is pulled out here. So this is far easier and far better. We don't want to go for multiple menus to achieve these data structures. We can just add the respective formula and select the range, and it automatically creates the list in here. So this is how we will use our unique and spill effects in Office 365. I'll come up with one more trick in the same data structure. If I have a wrong valuation or if I have an extra space in one of my data, what happens to my unique records in my older version? The older version is going to give you answers two times in the remove duplicates and as well as in advanced filter. The same will happen even in the spill record. If I change the original data there, then the remove duplicates and advanced filter don't do anything in that list, wherein the spill option will automatically update the new product list, the unique list in it. So let me do this in a new video and I'll sign out with this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.